Happy birthday, Kuya Glenn. Mararinig sa video ayun. Ba't nawala na yung music doon? Pinatay nila?
Tapos, ganito.
Naiinip pa si ate. Siyempre, pinifil niya yung birthday niya.
Diba? Dapat lang.
No. Huwag niyong sabihin, mag-aano pa kayo dyan sa cake. Magtatago.
Sigurado. Ang tamang iwan ng cake. Diba? Kaya German, ha? Oo. Nakalimutan.
He's enjoying birthday cake.
Who is the sponsor of the cake?
Ate Che, of course.
No!
No.
That one.
He is the sponsor of the cake. Thank you for
This
the
is my very
cake.
good friend. And my father also. This is my father.
This is your father? Is your father?
My father.
Oh.
Biological father.
Wala sila eh.
Believe me, I believe. Please. Today is my birthday, so you have to believe me everything of it. You have to believe me also.
Otherwise, kalas.
Sila yung mga nakasama.
Okay, you serve na. One by one.
Okay.